Hello everyone, this is our 8th experiment. The aim of our experiment is to use the given dataset in order to create association rules using a priori algorithm. A priori algorithm is actually used in order to create association rules after finding the frequent item sets. So to proceed with, we use the iris dataset over here and the FP growth operator in order to find the frequent item sets. But a problem is that we can't connect the dataset directly to the FP growth because FP growth works on the attributes which are binomial in value. So first we need to convert the data into nominal and then into binomial. So we use discretize by frequency operator in order to convert the data into nominal attributes, and further we use nominal to binomial operator in order to convert the nominal operators into binomial operators, and then further we connect the nominal to binomial operator to FP growth. So after connecting this, the output from the FP growth will be the frequent item sets, and that output will be giving it to the create association rule operator. So we'll connect this and we run it. We do the connections. And we run it. After we run it, we get the association rules over here. We have a graph plotted with the attributes and the rules associated with it. And we have a description too, that is association rule. That is, if A3 exists, it means that A4 as well as A1 do exist with it. And the confidence value is 0.827. Further, moving on to the association rules, we have here confidence, lift, conviction, etc. as the parameters. And if you see here one by one, for the A3, it says that if A4, A3, A1 are the products which I am buying, for example from a market, what happens is that if I buy the product A4, then there is a high probability that I will buy A3 and A1 as well. And its support values are also given over here. Its support value is 0.413, confidence value is 0.861. Support value means it's the indication of how frequently the items appear in the dataset, and confidence level is it shows the how much true the statements have been found to be. So this was our result on running the association rule operator, and these are the outputs we have derived. So what I did is I retrieved the iris dataset, connected it to the discretize operator and nominal to binomial operator in order to convert the attributes into nominal, first into nominal and then to binomial values, because FP growth works only on nominal attributes, and the output of the FP growth will be the frequent item sets, and that output we have to give it to the create association rule operator in order to create the rules. And after doing it, if we run it, we get the needed results, that is the association rules, and we can give many predictions and decision making from those rules. And here in FP growth we have several parameters on the right hand side. We have minimum support, maximum number of retrieves. In create association rule we have minimum confidence, then gain theta, Laplace k, etc. So this was our 8th experiment of creating the association rules using the a priori algorithm, and the dataset used here was iris, and we have derived our output successfully. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you.